talk that rich rapper-ish or talk real time. My decision sit with what you witness with this real.
What's happening, y'all? My name is KPW, and I'm going to be showing you how to edit curse words out of a song for the purpose of family-friendly or radio use.
Or talk real time. My decision sit with what you witness with this real.
As we can see, we've got our waveform loaded up. The DAW that we're using is called Cool Edit Pro 2.0. It's very old school, as you can see, but it works. I've been using it for the entirety of the time that I've been doing music, editing, recording, chopping up samples. It works like a charm, and it is highly recommended. Whoop, didn't mean to do that. It's highly recommended by me and several others who have used it. Here's where we will get started. Now, I'm going to be showing how we edit the vocals in a song that has curse words, particularly in certain parts of this song on the hook where I say the word shit. What we'll do is, to get started, we'll zoom in, play a little bit of the track in the beginning.
Matching in the dapper shit. Matching in. I love to talk that rich rapper shit. All the things, fits in the kicks, matching in the dapper shit.
Alright, you see where the cursor slides over the words that I want to edit. So what I'll do is I'll zoom in a little bit, get a little bit more emphasis on that waveform, see where those lines are, so that we can get more precision. And this requires some patience because there's gonna be a need to have an exact on point edit so that when it loops after we edit it, it keeps the song on beat. And I'll get into that in a second. And as you may or may not know, I do offer these services through my website. Go ahead and head on over to kpwhiphop.com/services. That way, if you choose to outsource these services to somebody else, that somebody else being me, you have that option. Or if you want to continue to learn how to go through with this process on your own, keep watching. No, I did not mean for that to rhyme. Back to the video.
To talk that rich rapper shit. I love to talk that rich rapper shit. I love to talk that rich rapper shit. All the things.
Now, like I said, this is going to require some patience because of the fact that I'll have to loop it a certain number of times in order to make sure that I've got it right. Because like I said earlier, if I just edit it with the effect that I'm about to show you that edits the curse word out, and I don't have any precision, it's going to knock the rhythm of the song off because it won't keep it on beat, if that makes any sense. So if I edit a certain amount of time past that exact range within which I say the word, and I don't keep some rhythm and some precision to it, then it essentially elongates or makes it sound like it's elongating the song.
That rich rapper shit.
All right. So if I zoom in a little bit more on that cursor. Now I've highlighted this selection to show where I'm going to edit, as you can see. I'm going to loop it just to get a sense of this precision, and we will see how we do once we put the edit in. Next thing I'm doing is I'm going up to the effects menu, and I can choose to do a variation, or rather several variations of edits. What I'm going to do is keep it basic and do a reverse. You can do anything from silence, you could put a sound effect, you can reverse like I'm about to do. I'm going to go with that just because it provides a cool enough sound effect and it doesn't do anything over the top or overly complex. All right, now I gotta back up because you see how with what I was talking about earlier, it knocks the rhythm off a little bit. So I have to condense that edit a little bit more. I have to condense my highlighted selection. All right, let's see how that sounds.
rappers ish. All rappers ish.
All right, a little bit more. We're gonna do that. There we go. I think I found it. Here we go.
All the things.
All right, we're a little bit on point now. A little more on point now.
All the things. Fits in the kicks, match the talk that rich rappers ish. All the things.
Now you see what I was saying? You get a better idea of what I was talking about now. So the edit is on point to where it doesn't interrupt the flow of the song and make it sound like it's elongating it, because it doesn't interrupt the enjoyment of the song. Say if you're listening to it and you don't expect it to be an edited version.
Fits in the kicks, matching in the dapper shit. It's
zoom back out to show you where I'm at in the song. You see where the cursor is right here.
fits in the kicks, matching. Fits in the kicks, matching in the dapper shit.
All right, second iteration of the word.
Instead I the kicks matching in the dapper shit. The dapper shit. The dapper shit. The dapper shit.
All right, second time around, you get the gist. Once again, we'll go back up to the effects menu. See what I'm saying? Zoom back out, go over it again.
Alright. Hey Pete, I love to talk that rich rappers ish. All the things, fits in the kicks, matching in the dapper ish. Instead I need my focus to stay within the reasons my being exists on earth. It's been this since birth. Can't complain within my first world to stay in, and can't mistrain the next generation to do the same. My complaints will live within concerns of all we endure within the climax of disenfranchisement.
There you have it, a quick tutorial on how to edit curse words out of a song for the purpose of family-friendly or radio use, aka making a clean version. If you enjoyed that video and got value out of it, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell for when I upload videos of that nature, rap videos as well. I'm out. Peace.
APW.